I'm just gonna vent a little bit, rant a little bit. I've posted a couple things on the Hurricane Helene, Hurricane Milton that's coming. And a lot of you don't know me. You just know what I post. I have family in North Carolina. My family has friends in the mountains of Asheville. I have family on Jekyll Island. I have family in Florida, Tampa, Southern, Boca Raton. So when I post things, it's things that I've heard from my family that can't get out, family that's stranded, family that's not getting supplies. I'm not just posting shit to post shit. Don't tell me I'm lying. I have family members that haven't had water for over a week. Soon to run out of medication. The helicopters can't even get to them. So whenever you tell me I'm lying, I'm not lying. Like literally an hour and 36 minutes ago, I was on the phone with my dad in North Carolina for over 45 minutes, getting the details on everybody so that I knew who needed what, who I needed to pray for. You know, we're just kind of in limbo waiting. So when people tell me that I'm lying whenever I have family in Florida, family in North Carolina, family in Georgia, family in Tennessee, don't tell me I'm lying. I have a very good friend who works for AEP that was sent to Tennessee 2 weeks ago. It was flooded. They couldn't do their job there, so they were sent to North Carolina. They've been staying in a hotel that has no water and no electricity. They're flushing toilets with buckets. They're rationing food. They're helping as much as they can. But the hotel for 2 weeks has not had power, not had water. They've not gotten showers. They've not been able to wash their clothes. They don't even know if they're going to have diesel fuel for their trucks to be able to go out tomorrow. I'm not lying. So I don't know what TV station you're watching or where you're getting your information from, but I'm getting my information from my family. Okay? Somebody that works for AEP, people that actually live there. The people that I know that are getting their supplies, they're getting their supplies from churches, people that have volunteered. It's not from the government. So don't comment on my posts and say that I'm lying. I just spent 45 minutes on the phone with my dad getting the information from family members on who needed what and what could I do. And right now, those in Florida, I can't do much because they can't get out. I-40 is no longer. There's no planes going out. Don't call me a liar. Those in the mountains of Tennessee, they can't get supplies to them. That's my rant. You don't know who I am. You don't know who my family is. And you don't know what's happening unless you're there. So, the people that are getting supplies are getting supplies from churches and from common folk. It's everybody helping everybody. It's not the damn government. That's my 2 cents. If you'd like to message me privately, you can, but it's not the government that's helping.